Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. Today's video is just going to be a review of this beautiful Chanel Chevron classic flat bag. So if you want to know more about this bag, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so here I'm just showing you everything that's included with the bag. So it did come in this beautiful black Chanel box with a black Chanel duster bag. Alright, so it did include this Chanel receipt to show proof of purchase, and it included another small paper receipt with it as well. So it did come with this tag, which includes like the model number, just showing the type of bag that you have. So here we have these felt liners to help keep your bag protected from the hardware creating any scratches or indentation on the leather. So I really love that this was included with the bag. It also did come with a Chanel authentication card, which has the authentication number on the back of the card. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the beautiful Chanel Chevron classic flat bag in black with gold hardware. This is lambskin leather, and the price for this bag was $246 US, and this was purchased from ustarbiz.ru, so please check them out if you're looking for quality dupes of designer bags. So as you can see in the inside of the bag, we do have these 3 pockets here so that you are able to store things inside of the bag. And we have the main pocket, and there's a pocket on the front and a pocket that is in the back of the flap. At the top of the bag, you see that there is the love letter compartment where you can put little paper if you want. So I'm giving you guys a close-up here of the bag, and when I tell you that the quality of this leather and the hardware is amazing, and I would definitely say this is like a one of one as far as quality. I'm super pleased with it, and I feel like this is going to be one of my favorite bags to use right now. So I just want to start by giving you guys some information about the bag. So this is the medium size Chanel flat bag, and I received this through FedEx shipping, which was very quick for me. So I'm very pleased with that. It was packaged very well. The bag was in great condition. everything looks amazing as far as all of the details. It is definitely on point. A pro for me for this bag is that it is real leather. So, like I said, guys, the quality is just going to be top of the line. Like, I honestly don't think I would be able to tell the difference if I had a real Chanel bag compared with this one side by side. So, that just speaks volumes for the quality. Just wanting to give you guys an idea of what can fit inside of a medium-sized Chanel flat bag. So first, I'm just going to start off by adding in my cell phone here in this front pocket. It fits perfectly. Great place to put your phone so that you are able to have easy access to your phone whenever you need it. I'm going to add in the sanitizing wipes. Since we are still in the middle of a pandemic, it is always great to have these in case you're going somewhere. You may need to wipe down a cart or a table, just anything. Next thing that I will be putting in my bag is going to be some hand sanitizer. Again, keeping it clean, staying germ free. We need that. Adding in a little small hand cream just to keep you nice and moisturized whenever you need. You can definitely fit this inside of your bag. And you will definitely need your wallet, so I'm putting in my YSL card holder and everything is fitting perfectly so far. Now adding in my Chanel compact mirror. And some lip gloss. Lastly, I'm just going to be adding in a pair of sunglasses, which I have in the little sunglasses protecting case. And this is the last thing that I'm going to put in here, and everything fits perfectly, and I'm going to give you guys a quick view of how well everything fits inside of the bag. So far, I am so pleased with this bag. This is an awesome dupe. When you compare the price of $246 compared to $7,800, I feel like this is a great value for your money. Alright guys, so that wraps up my review for this Chanel Chevron flat bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will leave all information down below in the description bar. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. You guys have an awesome day.